Alright, so this is sort of like a continuation or a part 2 of my previous video about rational equations and solving them. And so I'm just going to get to it. I'm just going to write a rational equation. Okay, we're going to start off by writing, let's make a little, maybe half plus x over 6 is equal to 18 over x, and the least common denominator is just multiplying all of these, and that's just going to be 2 times 6, which is 12, times x is 12x, so times 12x. We can simplify the x's, we can cross them out, I meant, and this is gonna be a half plus x over 6 is equal to 18 times 12 is 112, I think. I'm just gonna make sure. 18 times 12 is 216. Wow, it's super way off. 216. And we're also going to multiply 12x, just like how we multiplied by 12x here. We're also going to multiply this and this by 12x. So it's going to be 12x here. So 12x times a half is 12x over 2 plus 12x times that. It's going to be 12x times x over 6. So plus 12x squared over 6 is equal to 216. Now these can simplify, and I'm just going to write it here. 12x, the 12 and 2 can simplify to 6, and x, plus 12 and 6 can simplify to 2, and bring the x squared, is equal to 216. We can bring the 216 here to make it a quadratic equation, and that's just going to be minus 216, and then minus 216, that'll be, let me make some space. I can erase all this. I don't think I need it now. That's just going to be, let's write it in exponent form from greatest to least. 2x squared plus 6x minus 216. Okay. And what's in common is a 2, so we can put the 2 out. And x squared plus 3x minus 108. And we can factor this out, so it's going to be 2, and what two numbers multiply to 108, but when you add them you can get 3, a negative 108, and you add them you get 3, and that's going to be 9 and 12, so that's going to be x plus 12 and x minus 9, because 12 minus 9 is 3, and 12 times negative 9 is negative 108. And that's how you solve it. Well, now you want to find the zeros, so it's going to be set this equal to 0, that's going to be x equal to negative 12, set this to 0, that's going to be x equal to 9, and that's how you solve a rational equation.